This is my very own decision. Drenched in fear, the pounding of my brain and might explode in time. This cold chill makes me tremble, makes me tremble. Could this be my life? Is he just teasing me? I cannot close my eyes. Will the reaper be waiting? This is my own disease. Burning up your veins. What can I expect? Twisted from the stairs, validating these voices. These voices. This is my very own disease. This is my very own disease. This is my very own disease. Nah, be that as in me. Take it for granted and abuse ourselves and still I am constantly fractured. I am fractured. Yes, I feel it fading. Truth to fantasy. It keeps our days replacing my denial for comfort. For comfort. This is my very own disease. This is my very own disease. This is my very own disease. Got my mind unplanned. This breakdown comes full circle. Lost in my regret. Now no resupply when I tell myself I told you so, 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 I told just in my fear remain. Big crack your fucking flame. Dreams that leave a stain. Can't escape such impressions. Such impressions. This is my very own disease. This is my very own disease. This is my very own disease. I told you so, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so.
Akin na yung HTC. HTC. Paano papag-operate ng HTC? Hindi ako marunong ng HTC talaga. Bili na rin niya tayo ng HTC, Sherilyn.
Samsung ako. Maiba naman.
Nakakontra. Samsung din ang gusto ko. Para may kakompetensya si Mr. Bong.
Kilometer 2 dun eh. Old vlogging to. Old vlogging.
Ba't ang ganda ng kulay ng HTC? Parang dinagdagan ng kulay.
Ate,
Hindi mo against the lights.
Pwede nga against the light ko HDR.
tama may HDR pa siya. Hi there.
HDR.
Wow! Alin ba pinipindot dito? Ay shit.
Yun yung isa. Yung taas naman.
May
May
circle.
circle.
Sa gitna. Ayan o. Tapos nalaglag ni ko.
Oo. Tapos sasagasaan doon. Patay na.
Tignan mo. Ayun, ayun.
Makapaghintay na tingnan. Wow, tangina talaga sa ganda.
Easy.
Hayop.
Hayop
Hayop sa
sa
ganda talaga. It's this. You cannot imagine how beautiful.
Yung HTC ba na yun? Ano kaya?
Maganda yun eh. May lumabas na eh.
Oo nga, out na eh. Paido, wala pang Paido eh.
Pero mukhang mahal yun kapag ano.
Bakit nga ba hindi natin tinry ito kanina?
Hindi kasi mukhang bagong yung daan dun sa labas eh, di ba? Parang, alam mo yun, yung 15, 17 na siya nun.
Ito na yung HTC.
Ayan, mayroong sign, no? Mayroong sign. Uy, baka ito na yon. Ito yung...
SB, ay Y.
Oo, turn
Ito.
left down. Saan nakalagay?
Oh,
Yung Y, may Y ba? Ayun sila naman oh. Ano yun? Dapi Branch
Go down.
3. Branch 3 ito.
baka ito na yung ano.
Branch 3.
The branch.
Ha?
Teka lang.
Dito ba yung pang-trailer?
Eh baka ito yun, pang
Ito yung mga
trailer.
trailer.
So head.
So ito yung tama.
Head Y, oo. Ito yung tama. Parang yung simula doon, half kilometer kaya yun? Yung kanina rong kuya. Tapos turn, ano, left, di ba sabi? Eh doon naman kumaliwa naman din talaga tayo, di ba?
Maliwa tayo. Parang
Ay, itong mga ito tama.
Pa-charge na muna ako ng
Less
cellphone.
than half kilometer. Dapat pala tingin natin
Oo.
9 km.
Eh kasi left din yun eh, di ba? Tapos mula doon sa may sharp angle, ano, half kilometer na eh, kanina eh. Ito more than half to eh.
Saan may lagay yung charger ng...
Diyan yung mga charger natin.